don't know if I'm not this good. Okay, let me show y'all what the first picture is. Okay, so it has some yellow, blue. Yeah. Let's try again. Alright, so I'm just going to add my middle initial. And then we're going to do it again. Okay, so this is a look I think I can do this one versus the other one. Let me show y'all what it is. So mostly blues, light blue, some white. A line of red right there. I don't know how I would do that. Alright, Google. Let me see what I can do. I don't know if I'm going to be able to pull this one off, guys. But I'm going to try. And the reason I'm going to go ahead and try this challenge is because I'm actually on my way out to run some errands. And I wanted to put a little bit of makeup on. And I was like, let's do the Nikki tutorial challenge. And just go out like that. We're going to do this. We're going to do this. Okay, guys. I think I have my colors. I'm trying to get as close to what I've just shown you as I can. So I have the Maybelline. So that's blue, right? And then in my Morphe palette, it's more purple, but we're gonna pretend it's blue because we gotta do this challenge, y'all. And then in my Jaclyn Hill palette, this color, like a transitional color, this color right here as a transitional color, and then also have the white and this Morphe palette down here because there was white in that image that I pulled up. I've already primed my eyes, so y'all wish us luck. Okay, so what we're going to start off with is, so there was black in it. Let's do the transitional color first. We're going to reach into our Jaclyn Hill palette, and there was red. And I know this is more so of a brick color, as this is Jazz. Alright, so we're going to reach into Jazz. This is going to be interesting. I don't know if I'm going to like this. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and define my V, and we're going to use this black here. I couldn't get an image with neutral colors, right? Y'all know this is so far out the box for me. Okay, so I've done my V. Lay that out right quick. Now the problem for me is when I get to this blue, and I don't want to go too far in because I still have to put the light blue and the dark blue on. Alright, so the next blue that I'm going to use is out of the Morphe palette, and it's this blue right here. Why does this look purple to me? Yeah, this looks purple. If I spray it, it'll look blue. No? Well, whatever. We're going to try it anyway. And I sprayed with my NYX setting spray, so let's try it now. Ooh. I think I should have gave that time to warm up. I mean, it still looks purple. Whatever. The problem is I think I brought that black too far over. So putting this on top of the black doesn't show. Well, wait a minute. Wait, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yeah, wait a minute. Y'all see that? It's starting to show. Okay. This is what happens when you get a beginner trying to do some advanced shit. This looks crazy, y'all. But we're going to keep going. I refuse to give up. So now what I'm going to do is take this blue from Maybelline, and I'm going to take my Revlon brush, shadow brush, and we're going to see how we can make this work. It's not working. It's not working. This looks awful. Oh my gosh, this is such a fail. What the heck? No, this looks bad, y'all. This looks awful. And I don't even have anything. Does Nikki Nikki, when you do these challenges, consider the newbies like myself. Okay? Because this is not one-on-one. This is advanced. This is not working. Okay, hold on. Do I need to spray this too? Okay, let me see. There's something. This is not even doing right. What is this? I don't like it. What am I doing wrong? What is going on here? It's not working for me. I don't like it. Really. I have to go somewhere. I don't even have time to wipe this off. I really don't have time to wipe this off because how can I fix this? I have to go somewhere. I can't go somewhere looking like this. What is going on? It just looked like it was going to be easy. You know what? I know what I'm going to do. Because it's like it's not, even though it's on the brush, it's not transferring. Something. But look how pigmented that is. So, okay, I think I know how to fix it. I think I know how to fix it. I'm going to go back over this black and make it deeper. Because I can do this. Back in here. Into Jazz. I should have used the same brush. Whatever. I'm going to blend these colors out. Okay, the white. We need the white. Let me use this. Oh, that's white. I don't like this. This sucks. Lord, I gotta go out like this. Take the wheel, Jesus. Help me. Alright guys, so this is the best I can do. I don't even have time to wipe this off. I have to go somewhere. I have to run a couple of errands, but I'm just gonna blame this on Pop Lux and Nikki Tutorial. But I tried to step outside the box. So what do y'all think? Did I achieve it a little bit? A tiny bit? Whatever. I don't have time to clean my face up. So if somebody says, well, who did your eyeshadow? I'm gonna say Nikki Tutorial and Pop Lux. They caused me to do this. I don't even like it. Yeah, I do not like it. It didn't turn out right at all. Nowhere near. It didn't. I'm just saying right now. I'll talk to you guys later. I gotta run errands now. Bye.